Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 2 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 2 plus 2 gives us 4, so 4 times 2 over 2. 4 times 2 equals 8, and 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. But this answer is not correct. No, correct path. Our fraction can be written as parentheses 2 plus 2 times 2 divided by 2. The numerator divided by denominator. And here in this expression we have this parentheses and this division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. We work from left to right. Okay? Here we have these parentheses. So inside these parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. According to PEMDAS, first we do 2 times 2, which equals 4. So 2 plus 4 parentheses divided by 2. And again inside these parentheses we have this addition. 2 plus 2 gives us 6. So 6 divided by 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So our final answer to this problem is 3.